Okay, thank you. I'll try and be super quick as well. Okay, so a bit of context here. We've got this tool which answers the question, where do larvae go in the air? Again, just look at it yourself. But there's a welcome page, and then you follow these tabs through to get to where you want. So you're presented with this map of the Irish Sea and these dots along the coast. So what we've done is we've used our oceanographic model that simulates the tides and the wind-driven flows in the Irish Sea over a whole year to feed a particle tracking model, which tracks where particles, hundreds of particles from each of these locations go. So you can click on, so the idea is you click on any dot and you can see where larvae go. Okay, you can zoom in and out. Should we pick a place? Where do we want to look at? Here, Aberystwyth. Okay. Zoom in, pick Aberystwyth. Right. And then we get some other choices here. We can choose to look at larvae in the surface or in the mid-water column. Surface. And then we can look in the spring, the summer, or the autumn. And then we've got a little thing we can drag up and down here, which gives our larval duration. What? Well, I'm not sure that's an option. Oh, it is. Look, there you go. 12. Nice and quick. And then you press load data, and it takes a while just to load all the particles in. It's based on thousands of particles. The whole thing's based on like about 12 million particles, I think. The longer your larval duration, the longer this step will take. But oh, there you go. Look, quick to see. Okay. All right, so that's done. And then you go on to the next tab, which is the simulation. And you press go, I guess. See the particles zooming around. Time bar goes along on the top in hours, I think. It doesn't all look like a nice flowy tide, this, because it's different tidal stages all lumped together, so it looks like a bit of a funny mess. And you can see the kind of dispersal that the particles go, and then you click on the next tab, get a kind of probability density. That's the kind of area and the probability. So it's not very far from Aberystwyth because we've got it's quite sheltered and we haven't got very strong currents. And then you press this button here and download the map if you want as well. And if you want to know a bit more about the setup, that's the last tab. That's it.